Hello there, this is Madhumita. Welcome back to my channel. I'm again here with a new makeup video. On today's video, I'll show you this trending cloud eye makeup look with stars. This is very famous eye makeup on Instagram. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep watching. For eye base, I'm applying Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Concealer Fair on my eyelid. Then blending it and setting it using some powder. Now for eyeshadow, I am using Beauty Glaze Color Board eyeshadow palette, and first taking this color I am applying on my crease line. Then slowly intensifying the color. Now I am taking this color and applying just on the edges and blending it nicely. Then I am taking this light shade and blending the edges. And making sure everything blends nicely. Now I am applying Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer on the center of my eyelid. And cleaning my eyelid. Then I am applying this color on my eyelid. After that, I am highlighting my brow bone using this color from Revolution Pro 4K Highlighter Palette Gold. Now I am applying this color just on the center. Then using this NYX Professional Eyeshadow Base White and a flat concealer brush, I am creating the cloud shapes. Then setting the edges using this color. Then again creating the cloud shapes. And setting the edges. Now drawing stars one by one. And then small stars. Now I am priming my face using Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 primer and applying all over my face. Now for foundation, I am applying NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in shade beige and applying all over my face. Never mind, it always happens to me. Then using a damp beauty blender, I am blending this all. Now for concealer, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer Medium and applying under my eyes, on bridge of my nose, on forehead, on chin, around lips and around nose. Then again blending this all. Now I am setting this all using Maybelline New York Fit Me Powder Porcelain. Then I am contouring my face using NYX Professional Makeup Matte Body Bronzer Deep Tan and applying on cheekbone. And now here is my lovely distraction. Okay, let's start again. Applying on jawline, on hairline, and on nose. Now for blush, I am applying this color from this palette and applying on cheeks, and on nose. Then I am highlighting my face using this color and applying on cheeks, on chin, on nose tip, on forehead, bridge of my nose, and on cupid bow. Now I am taking the same color and applying on my lower lash line. Then applying this color on the edges. Then I am tight lining my waterline using L'Oreal Paris Super Liner Superstar Duo Designer Black. Then I am applying this shimmer color on the center of my eyelid. Now I am applying Maybelline Near Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara on my lashes. Then I am highlighting my inner corner using the same color. Now for lips, first I am applying Wet n Wild Megalash lip color Pink Sugar on my lips. Then using a brown lip liner, I am lining my lips. Then blending these two colors using this lipstick brush. Then applying lip gloss on it. So here is the complete look. Let me know how is this look by commenting down. And if you like this video, then please give a big fat thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. So see you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love, bye bye.